Hey, what's up, guys? It's Bumblemus Prime, and today we're gonna react. React to the final episode of Sonic Boom, Season 2, Episode 52. Eggman, the video game, Part 2. The end of the world. Does this mean like is Infinite gonna come, or Chaos, or Zambok? All right, now let's find out. 3, 2, 1. Roll out to action. Where we last left off.
Any last words, Sonic? Yeah. Volcano Wonderpants! What?
Oh, that's a catchphrase. Any last words? Ooh, I like this beat.
I'm gonna look totally awesome when I superimpose my character skin over this. The reflexes of a panther. Is that an insult? I thought panthers were fast. Maybe compared to you.
Yeah, maybe he shouts to become the Black Panther. Not because his fur color, because he's really fast like a panther. And, you know, sneaky like one.
This footage is even better than I imagined. I gotta go home and program it into my game. Why are you doing this, Shadow? You pay for the things you said about me. You mean that stuff Eggman recorded? I didn't say anything bad. What are you implying? I don't know. What are you inferring? That Eggman manipulated that footage to manipulate me? Yeah, he'll do that. Cannot allow Eggman to make a fool of me. He must pay for this. Can't wait to see how the battle came out.
Uh-oh.
What the? Your new teleportation card is working wonderfully, but I fear your wall won't hold up much longer. Eggman, come out, you coward. I think it would be best if I gave this shadow guy some space. Orbot, Chewbot, Stalin.
Secret entrance.
Where is he?
Where is who?
That could have gone better.
Huh. Too bad Scratch and Grounder aren't there.
Steve,
Oh, hey, Bombot.
transform into me. Why? Long story short, Shadow's gonna tear me limb from limb. He's gonna rip out my spine and play it like a xylophone.
I didn't know Shadow was so musically inclined. But tell you what, Robotnik, why don't you use my interdimensional portal creators to hide out in another dimension?
Then I can con some other Eggman into being my patsy. Oh, I'm about to enter a different dimension. Unless you want to face Shadow, I suggest you try looking a little less Eggman-y.
A glass unicorn. Mombot, you know that's your other almost not real son, right? Oh hey, he's in that
I can
dimension.
manipulate the
with
alpha fields, tweak the
Emperor
gamma receptors, and gird the blender.
Eggman.
I can fold space-time and get revenge on that infernal blue
Or
hedgehog.
Lord Eggman,
No
sorry.
need for all that, your lordship. I know where he is. Oh, nice scar, by the way. Very manly. Me? How did I get here? I came from an alternate dimension where a shape-shifting robot version of my brother from a third dimension gave me this portal gun. Simple as that, huh? Better hurry. Having two of us in the same dimension for too long will cause a catastrophic anomaly the likes of which mankind has never seen. Yeah, I'm going.
Yeah, just like Knuckles and his interdimensional self. Except,
Man,
wait, that
Shadow
didn't.
really mopped the floor with us. I'm gonna be sore for weeks.
I can't feel my everything.
You're Knuckles. You're not supposed to feel anything.
There you are, Blue Beaver. Finally, I can take you on one-on-one.
Finally? We fight all the time. Oh, wait, are you that emo Eggman from the alternate dimension?
I'm not emo. I just don't care for garish colors, okay?
Oh, he has a lightsaber. So he's like Darth Eggman.
Sweet moves, Lord Nosehair.
Or how about Darth Robotnik? Yeah, I kind of like that. Darth Robotnik. Or Kylo. Kylo. Or I can't think of any cool names that go with that lightsaber.
Eggman, you shall perish for tricking me. Whoa, 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 I didn't trick you. I don't even know who you are. Your
Oh, I
elaborate costume
guess.
doesn't fool me.
Wait. Hold up for a second. Let me guess. In his universe, there's no Shadow. Wow. Seriously, they should really think about, trying to travel through the multiverse. Okay, let's go back to the reaction.
I get it. The Eggman you're looking for is in another dimension.
I'm going through the portal into the other dimension too. You guys keep an eye on Lord Eggbite.
On Lord Vader.
Where's Eggman?
It's a whole different place. Eggman could be anywhere. Or he could be right there.
Metal Sonic. You again?
You know Metal Sonic, right?
Of course.
He's been upgraded with all the video game motion capture data I recorded.
And now I am ready for some payback. Every time he can talk too, like Defect. Time to destroy you. Not rather me. Oh look, it's the Black Sonic. So you want some? Well, come and get it. Pow. Whack. I originally
We have to coordinate a spin attack from opposite sides.
I take orders from no one. Take that.
Haha.
Struggle all you want, formal wear Eggman. We've got everything under control. Except that.
And that. Come on, slowpokes. I haven't got all day. Die. Tails! Thanks, Amy.
Entries or not,
Nice
we
job.
gotta step up.
This could be your last fight. Oh, well then let's go, girl.
Hey, hammers are my thing.
Well, guess what? They're mine now. Electro ropes. Tackle him. Oh no, Amy! Ugh, nice job.
Look at you celebrating like the game's been won. This is only the beginning of the end.
Alright, kinda cryptic, Shadow. You wanna elaborate on that one?
I'm no longer satisfied simply taking vengeance on that lackwit Eggman. I want revenge on this whole pathetic universe.
What?
That's why I took those mustached fools to a secret location.
With both Eggmen in this dimension, there will be a catastrophic anomaly that'll destroy our entire universe.
Now
Uh-oh.
you're catching on. So long, fools. Forever.
No, the anomaly's already beginning.
Uh-oh.
We gotta find those Eggmen. Fast! If I can piece Metal Sonic back together, I might be able to use his built-in homing beacon to lead us to Eggman.
Great. Tails, you're on that. Everyone else, let's get searching.
What's next? That giant tornado from Ghostbusters is about to erupt from the sky. Sticks, you go high. Victor, you search the town. Amy and Knuckles, you search underwater.
Just one last tweak, and the Eggman homing beacon should be active. Hey, wait! Sonic, Metal's beacon is homed in on Eggman, but he's moving too fast. I can't keep up.
Thankfully, I'm Sonic the Hedgehog.
And you're the fastest thing alive. Luckily, you're the fastest thing alive. Of course, the tunnel.
Lord Eggman, you need to leave our dimension.
I'll never forget you, friend. Yeah, just get out of here.
The universe has been restored.
Yeah!
I'm not thrilled with the results, but I must admit I'm impressed with how you saved the universe. I'll be back, Sonic, but next time, on my terms.
You already said that.
Well, I almost caused the end of the world, but it was all worth it. I got great yoke capture footage for my video game. About that, during the catastrophic anomaly, your evil lair was struck by lightning. All of your mocap files were destroyed. Well, there's always next season.
Or not, because that was the last episode. So guys, this is how it ends. The end of the Sonic Boom series. Man, we had a lot of good times with these guys. I mean, I like it when Sticks had a pet, Knuckles, he met his dimensional counterpart, and Amy had a bee-bot friend, and of course, something else. Tails has a crush, and Sonic, he's just Sonic. So anyways, guys, that was my reaction on Sonic Boom, Season 2, Episode 52. Eggman, the video game, Part 2, The End of the World. It's the end of the world. Okay, I'll not sing that. Because, copyright. So, tell me in the comments what you guys think I should react next. Because I'm thinking maybe My Little Pony, Pony Life, Transformers, Lego Ninjago. So what do you guys think I should react next? What series? Tell me in the comments. And I'll see you guys in another series. Autobots. Let's rev up and roll out.